So today we'll be talking about the power of decision making. Even God Himself made a decision to create the universe. So guess what? We all make decisions every day. So that is what I want to talk to you about. Thank you so much for connecting with me here today. And while you're here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I would love to hear your feedbacks and learn and grow with you. All right? Thank you so much for your time. Let's get right into the content. So let me share some insights on this very important topic and put some things in perspective for us to think about. Now, every moment of every day, we make decisions. We make decisions that impact our lives in a positive or a negative way. From deciding what to wear to what job to take on, or even who to marry or where to live. Therefore, there are lots of factors to consider when making a decision. It may depend on the situation at hand, and it is essential to note that making the right choices changes depending on the dynamics of the situation. One of the greatest gifts of being human is that we have the power to choose the right thoughts and actions. We have the power to change our focus from negativity to positivity, from sadness to happiness, from a losing mentality to a winning mentality. A lot of times people are afraid of making the wrong decision. They end up not making a decision at all, which is called decision paralysis. But in reality, not making a decision is a decision in and of itself, and it's almost always the wrong one. And guess what? When we have too many choices, we become indecisive, which leads to no action. One of the very best ways to get rid of decision paralysis is to make decisions quickly. Don't wait. Don't overthink it. Just make a decision and go with it. Life-changing decisions are made in the moment. In fact, many of the world's most successful people, innovators, creators, leaders, owe much of their success to their ability to make decisions quickly. When you make decisions quickly, you leave no room for doubt, worry, and confusion. Instead of wasting time worrying about all of the possibilities and trying to analyze every potential outcome, making a quick decision allows you to immediately start devoting your efforts to following through on that decision. If you truly commit to a decision, you will find that following through on it is much easier than you might have thought. See, now the law of attraction dictates that you will be able to manifest what you need to follow through on any decision when you have fully committed yourself to it. So when you have fully committed yourself to a decision, you will be able to manifest and follow through on that decision. Only by making decisions quickly can you fully commit to them right out of the gate without letting doubt and worry kill your decision slowly over time. Thankfully, making decisions quickly doesn't have to be difficult. No matter what decision you might be faced with, the only thing you have to determine is whether or not this is something you want or need, and whether or not it is worth committing your time to. If the answer to both of those questions is yes, you have everything you need to make a decision right away. Any other questions or concerns that you may have will answer themselves along the way if you are committed to making your decision a reality. With that being said, the truth is that one of two things are bound to happen in your life. Either you make your own decisions or someone or something else will make your decisions for you. In other words, either you choose the direction and major opportunities for your life or something else does. As author John Maxwell puts it, life is a matter of choices, and every choice you make makes you. That's all I have for you here today. Thank you so much for your time here. And like I always like to say, I love to learn and grow with you. So please, please, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave my channel. I would love to see you back here in the next video. Thank you for your time. Have an amazing rest of your day and be blessed.